Hey there and welcome to DollMotion. Today we're going to do an unboxing. Something I haven't done on this channel for over a year. I usually buy dolls, but they're always intended for custom DollMotion projects. And although I bought these dolls on outlet, these Barbie Silkstone dolls will not be used for any repaints. No, these dolls from the fashion model collection line are for adult collectors. So there's nothing to see for you here, FTC. I never seen a Silkstone Barbie up close before, so let's begin the unboxing. Beginning with our pink lady. This doll is named Proudly Pink. The same doll Hexian did a great cosplay of. These dolls are very well packed. They have a seal and hold on place with a ribbon. The doll also comes with a stand, a tag around their hand, and a certificate. Out of the box, she feels very heavy. The Silkstone Barbies are made of a material that's similar to porcelain. This is what the doll comes with. Proudly Pink's body is articulated, something older Silkstone Barbies aren't. I know some collectors don't like the articulated bodies, but I kinda like it. It helps you pose her better for pictures. Let's compare it to a made-to-move Barbie. Yep, Silkstone bodies are heavier. Wow, this head is hard. Rerouting a doll like this must be a big pain in the ass. So, although she's only limited to 20,000, she can use some TLC. And her makeup can also use a touch-up. Yeah, much better. Overall, I'm really in love with this doll. And she's the perfect doll to be my first ever Silkstone. But those gloves, yeah. I know it's hard to sew gloves on this scale, but they're more like oven mitts to me. So, no gloves. Okay, Silkstone number 2. I think some of you already know I have a big love for male dolls, which you can see with all the male characters I like to repaint. The name of this doll is Franco, and the doll has a quantity production of 3300. I got this doll from a different store. The seller did say the doll was new, but I'm not so sure about that. The seal is broken and the tag on his hand is missing. So that's kinda a bummer. Especially when it was a store specialized in Barbie dolls. Oh well. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Does keep the shirt down though. And this is what the doll comes with. The doll is clearly on display because his hair is kinda messy. Fear not, we can fix that. A small trim in the back and gel, and he is as new. It feels kinda strange photographing dolls that aren't my repaints, but these dolls are really meant to take pictures of. Their vintage makeup and fashion is so easy to capture, and they're definitely a great pair. If you like these kind of collector dolls, I highly recommend checking out Suresh's YouTube channel. He has a lot of unboxing videos and a great knowledge on fashion. Thank you for watching. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. And like always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. See you in the next video. Bye!